updating your profile details on ABN AMRO is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the ABN AMRO website or open the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account securely. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, look for the Profile or Account Settings section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account overview. Step 3. Select the information to update. In the profile settings, identify the specific details you want to update, such as your address, phone number, or email. Click on the relevant option to proceed. Step 4. Enter new information. Input the updated information in the provided fields. Ensure that all entries are accurate to avoid any issues with your account. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new details, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure they are applied to your account. Make sure to log out after updating your profile for security reasons. Keeping your information up to date helps maintain the security and functionality of your account.